Okay, we will find the voltage at the circuit. Okay, firstly the circuit is on series. So to make sure to find the voltage, make sure the probe is on the bulb. And then turn on this switch button. And this multimeter will show the how voltage. Okay, this probe red is positive and black is negative. So the reading of multimeter voltage in parallel is 12.10 volt. Okay. Assalamualaikum. So today I will show you about how to make a series circuit. So first I will connect this positive of the power source, then I will connect to the switch, then we will use a resistor which is using 47 ohm. So the bulb we will use the bright light. And lastly we will connect to the negative. So we can see that this bright light have light up. So this is the series circuit. So on the series circuit we can calculate the current value by using this multimeter. So as this multimeter has broken, as it cannot read the value of the current correctly, so I just demonstrate it. So I will remove this wire and I will put this probe onto this. So it must be there is some value that must be seen on this screen. So that's how we calculate the current value in the series circuit. Okay, this probe will be on this positive and this black will be negative, but the push button of the switch is turned off because to find the reading of resistance. So to find the reading, turn on the multimeter to the ohm. Okay, we find that the resistance is between 5.0 ohm. 5.0 ohm. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.